Hi, I wanted to take a minute to share how to find a video on the BMCC Library database. So I'm going to share my screen so that we can navigate to the BMCC Library and search how to find a video. So here we go. So there's a few ways to go to the BMCC Library. First, you can go into your search engine and just type in BMCC Library, and it should come up. Or if you decide to go to the BMCC homepage, you will see up at the top it says Library, and you can click on that, and it does the same thing. So when you come to the BMCC Library homepage, you'll see at the top, one of the options is databases. And you want to click on databases. And it says specifically databases A to Z and by subject. So that's where you want to be, and you want to come over here to the right where it says useful links. And you'll see the third item down says video databases. And this is what you want. You want to click on video databases. So, and this is where you're going to refer back to the information that I provide because you'll see that BMCC has many video databases. So you're going to want to look for the name of the database that I provide. So I might say that it's in Academic Video Online Premiere, or I might say that it's on Films on Demand. I might say that it's on Canopy. I might say that it's on a Swank. I might say that it's on, those are pretty much the ones that I use. So you're going to want to look and see which database I indicate. Then once you have seen that information and it is posted, you're going to go to that database and you're going to click on it. So let's click on Swank. And then it's going to ask you to log in. So you're going to log in using your CUNY login information. So the information that you have to log into CUNY. Okay, I have mine saved. And then as it logs into the video database, and we'll give it a moment to load up all of the movies, you're going to look for the name of the movie. So for some of the video databases, it's going to ask you, um, what's your role? In this case, I'm an instructor. You would indicate you're a student, and it might ask you to sign in. So I have actually already signed in, but some of the databases ask you to sign in with a separate email or a separate username, and Swank is one of them. And you just sign in. I'm going to save the password. Once you sign in, and not all of the databases require you to sign in, but some require an additional sign in, and that's okay. Then you're going to look for the search bar, and you're going to again go back to the information that I provided and type in the name of the movie that I provided. So in this case, for this database, It's the movie Babies. And here it says request. So I'm going to send the request and I might have to wait a little bit for this request to be available. And that's it. Let's go back to another database. So I'm going to go back to the databases. Let's see. Films on demand. Now, again, you're going to type in the name of the movie that I provide. So let's see, infant social. Okay. So, I believe this is actually its academic premiere. So let's go back here. So let's see. Here we go. And so let's come up here to the search bar. I'm going to accept all the cookies. Come up here, infant social development. Okay. Give it a moment. Here's infant's cognitive development. That's one of the videos. You would click it. Click on the video to watch. Okay. There it is. I'm going to click the back button. There's infants' social emotional development. Again, you would click it and you could watch it. Okay. Infant and toddler care, key to quality relationship, etc., etc., etc. So you would just type in the name and then you'd be able to watch the video. So I hope that answers questions about how to access videos from BMCC Library databases. The two key pieces of information you need is the name of the database, which database it is, and the name of the video. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day. Be well.